Hi there, how are you doing today? Today we're going to thoroughly explore and see how to efficiently send money from India to the United States without incurring any fees whatsoever. I should clarify, however, that this particular method only works as a one-time attempt, since it's a special promotional offer exclusively provided by Western Union. To accomplish this, we simply have to navigate to the Western Union India website, okay? And from there we're going to carefully click on this specific link we have prominently displayed here. Once the entire page has fully loaded, we're then going to click on these three horizontal lines located at the very top, give it a quick click and subsequently select the option Send Money from the menu. When we click on Send Money, we're going to choose the United States here and then click Continue. And here we will clearly see that we absolutely won't be charged any additional fees whatsoever because this is a direct transfer of the specific type. It's a new transfer to a new account. Just registered, so this is a promotion that Western Union has for new accounts, okay, for your first transfer. And well, that's it. It's pretty easy and simple to do. I hope this helps you. If this video was helpful, please comment and subscribe.